Today, a Pasco County judge is hearing several motions in the case of Curtis Reeves. Reeves is the retired Tampa police captain accused of opening fire in a movie theater in 2014, killing Chad Oulson. The two were arguing over Oulson texting during the movie previews. Let's get to 10 Tampa Bay's Eric Glasser, who is live at the courthouse in Dade City, where this trial is slated to get underway in just a matter of weeks. Eric.
Courtney, it has been 8 years, as you said. Since then, Curtis Reeves has had his day in court, at least as far as a stand-your-ground defense hearing. That motion was denied. Since then, he has been under house arrest. Judge Susan Barthel recognizes that we're in a time of COVID, but she says this trial needs to get started, and so she set aside today, tomorrow, and possibly Friday to hear some last-minute pre-trial motions.
Okay, just checking.
Curtis Reeves, now 79 years old, was not in court today, but his longtime defense attorneys were.
We are eager. We're ready to go. We've been ready to go for quite some time.
Judge Susan Barthel has made it clear she wants all of these issues cleared up in time for jury selection, which is scheduled for February 7th. Among those motions being heard, whether to exclude the testimony of defense witness Michael Knox, who testified during Reeves' stand-your-ground hearing, saying surveillance video from inside the theater doesn't tell the whole story. Prosecutors say Knox has a conflict of interest. The state is also asking Judge Barthel to exclude character witness testimony from Reeves' wife Vivian and his daughter Jennifer, as well as Vivian's testimony about being scared at the time of the incident.
You can't prove someone else's emotional state by someone who's not in the same shoes.
It's proper for the court to consider the individual sitting next to him and in front of Chad Oulson to be able to say that she felt scared or frightened.
Reeves' defense lawyers have motions of their own. They're asking the court to allow them to address Oulson's widow, Nicole, as an adverse party. The same for witnesses from the Pasco Sheriff's Office, a legal distinction that would allow the defense to use leading questions.
2.5 weeks, February 7th, we're ready to go.
Judge Barthel is moving this case forward, but she is not doing so in a vacuum. She realizes that COVID is still an issue, and so she has set up specific parameters as to how the jurors in this case will be selected. She is also allowing them to select 4 alternate jurors. It's usually 2, but that way they believe that they'll have enough people on the panel in case members of the jury start to get sick.